windscreen extender. I'm gonna use it on my 1200Gs Adventure, but this should work on any motorcycle. So out of the box you get the extender, and this is not a really thin and flimsy piece, it's pretty thick. So it's 5mm thick, actually same thickness as my windscreen. And then this is a bracket that goes on your windshield, also looks aluminum, so you won't have any rust problems. And the hardware. This is a quick release which will make it nice to adjust it or remove it. And I'll show how to use this in a bit. Alright. You also get instructions, but they're wrong. At least for this part. I'll show it in a second. I'm gonna paint my hardware black because I don't think it's stainless steel. Alright, for paint I'm gonna use my trusty rust stop from Ace Hardware. Next, I wouldn't follow the instructions, I think they're wrong. This is showing in reverse. So, the rubber piece, then the reinforcement in there, and this should go on the screw side like this. And this is like this. So when you screw it in here, the doubler is going to press the rubber against your windscreen. You're supposed to use thread lock here, but because I have paint, so it's going to be the same effect. This bracket goes like that. Okay. So you could, to lower it, just play with the skewer. Open it up, lower down, and lock it. Right, so this is with the extender installed and windscreen at the highest position, and you can see the top of it really covered the whole head. And then you can adjust it with your hand, the angle.